How's it going, everybody? I'm Slavinatorski, and welcome to the channel. And as you can see here, we have a Space Marine. This is the Sergeant from the original Intercessors. And why do I have this one out again? You've seen him already. Well, that's because I have made another Max Bird shop purchase. So this is the skirt and cape that goes with this particular figure. I imagine you put it on almost any figure you wanted, but it is made for this figure, so that's where it's going on. And if you haven't had a chance to, check out Max Bird's shop's shop, or their website. Decent shipping, they actually get the stuff to you quickly. I have a bunch of stuff I've ordered from them, so you're gonna see a lot more videos coming out. And really nice people, they make really good products. I really like them. So here comes some more goodies. All right, so let me go ahead and open this up. It's the first time I haven't really torn up that cardboard too badly. Open up the baggie and dump out everything that's inside. Sorry about the mess. All right, so here is the cape. It is wired. See here, you have a nice little skull emblem right there. It has a little bit of double-sided tape on it. It's really cool. I like the Ultramarines logos. Corners. Sorry, dirt really shows up on here easily. And then you have the skirt piece, the chain and the buckle. So you can kind of get an idea how this is going to go. Also wired. So this is going to look really good. So what we want to do, obviously just take this thing out of his hands, make sure he doesn't lose anything. You're going to want to disassemble him, just to make sure everything's safe. And don't worry, these come apart really easy. Not breaking it by doing that. I'm going to pull everything off the belt too, just to be safe. The cool thing about these is you can put anything on the belt wherever you want it, since they will fit in any one of these holes. And now we have half a Space Marine. So, give me 1 second, and we'll be right back. Sorry about that, always getting interruptions. Alright, so we'll start with the skirt. So you'll see we have all this metal, these chains hanging and everything like that. So, very simple. I'm just going to take the stretchy bit, and it would probably help if I did it right on camera, sorry. Take the stretchy bit and just stretch it down here. So that looks really good. Once that stretchy bit's done, you'll see how you can put him back together. Very, very simple. Some of the easier figures to take apart, I think, when you really need to. So already, that's got that figure looking mighty nice. So let's see. If you want to have, you're going to lose this spot here because it's right behind it. Although you might be able to put something on there. Let me see. You probably pop that back in there. And it will safely kind of dangle down next to it. And we'll do it like that, so it's kind of standing out of the way. Still looking good. You see the chain and everything comes around nicely. Let's put this piece. Nope, that won't fit there. So put this piece back here. Fits it nicely. Chain come around behind it. Maybe we don't. One thing you can do, which is cool about this, is you can customize it however you want. So take that out there. Maybe I can put this piece here. We'll get in the way of the leg, but actually it's getting in the way of the leg a lot more than I need. Alright, so I guess that particular piece is going to have to go there if I want it on the figure. There. Let that just hang around behind it. Should be fine. Good. This piece. Where do we want to put this piece? So that looks like something he needs to get to. So we'll keep it where it was. And just good. Actually, I kind of think this would look better if it's below the wheels. See how those holes are all showing up? This would probably look better if I put this down further. My fingers don't like working with small things very much. Tighten that. Come back. Sorry about the dog. Back, and then put his pouch back here, and we'll put this back up front here. We'll do it in a way where it kind of hangs over it because it looks like it's on a chain, right? No, actually, I don't. I think that's just going to get in the way. So instead of having his helmet on the back here, we'll just put this back here. Because he doesn't need to carry his helmet. The helmet peg is a little bit bigger. So, alright, we'll keep his helmet. We'll just put this back in the box. Alright, sorry, I've spent way too much time on that. Sorry. Very indecisive when it comes to how I want it set up. Okay. There. There we go. Alright, moving on. Sorry. Like I said, I get indecisive. So, after that, helmet out of here. So now we have the cape. Cape. So you're gonna bring it here. Press this down under. That. You want it to buckle. Like I said, my hands aren't too good with the small things. So there's a button. There's a wire in this, wired around. Underneath. And there. And of course, you know, we might want to take a pair of scissors and trim off these little bits of fur that are sitting in there. And then this piece will come around right on here. So strip off that double-sided tape. I have problems with small things here. Oh, come on. It's nothing that's going to damage the figure. Make sure it's somewhere where it doesn't get in the way. There we go. Bring that cape back down. Cape, cloak, whatever you want to call it. And this part goes under here, that wraps up there. Then you put his backpack back on, and voila! You now have him fully with the cape, ready to go. Figure looks good. It's always nice to have a little extra addition onto it. I feel like it looks great. I do have to do some little trimming, so let me get a small pair of scissors and I'll trim those and show you how I do that. It's very simple. Alright, so all I do is take a little itty bitty pair of scissors here and just trim off as best as I can. You can tell these are old, they're all rusted, but they still work. Just that little bit. I probably should have done this before I attached everything, but I'm not the brightest when it comes to things like that. You could burn them off if you wanted to, I suppose, but I don't think back here. So the cape back here looks good. I think it's just under there. And a little bit on top. Other than that, alright, so there we go. That's the cape figure. All in all, looks pretty good, I'd say. I might have actually should have put that stretchiness over top of these, but as long as you don't mess with it too much, it'll sit right in there just fine. But that's it for it. I think this is a great addition. The figure really adds to it. It's not terribly expensive either. Well worth the money, I'd say. But yeah, check it out. I think you guys might like it. Really updates this Intercessor Sergeant. I think that's what he is. And really adds to your collection. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, of course, like, subscribe, all that stuff, because we're having more Max Bird stuff coming out. I've got a whole handful of it over there, all of it that I'm going to be adding. And of course, I got to review the figures before I review the capes. So we're going to be working on a few more videos here coming up soon. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know if you want me to see anything else. But that's it for now. Hope you guys liked it. Have a great one, and we'll see you next time. Later, guys. If you're interested in learning more about the channel, feel free to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook social medias. Here you can find more about what's going on in my personal life, as well as behind the scenes from the channel. If you are interested in the gaming content, I do stream to Twitch before I upload any of the gaming content to YouTube. And if you wanted to follow me on Twitter, any contests I enter, I put my friends' links in there, so we can both get some bonus entries off of that.